Welcome to Researching Cases, Part 2, Case Citation, Publication, and Composition. This is a tutorial from the Jerome Hall Law Library at Indiana University Maurer School of Law. This tutorial will introduce you to written court opinions, including how to read a case citation, where cases are published, and how cases are structured. A typical case citation contains 5 basic elements: the case name, most commonly the names of the parties, although this can vary based on the type of case or the number of parties involved. The volume number of the book in which the case was published, called a reporter. The abbreviation for the reporter name. The starting page number of the case, and the year of the decision. As mentioned a moment ago, cases are published in multi-volume sets called reporters. Reporters may collect cases based on topic, such as bankruptcy law, jurisdiction, such as the U.S. Supreme Court, or region, such as Pacific or Northeastern. Some jurisdictions have an official reporter, most often published by that jurisdiction's government. If your jurisdiction has an official reporter, you will be required to cite to that version of the case. Commercial entities can often publish much faster than the government, however, so a robust system of regional reporters, called the National Reporter System, also exists to print court opinions. Federal court opinions are published in a series of federal reporters, including the Federal Appendix, the Federal Supplement, and the Supreme Court Reporter. States are divided into groups and published in a series of regional reporters. You can see the regional divisions on this map. Indiana cases, for instance, are published in the Northeastern Reporter, along with cases from Illinois, Ohio, Massachusetts, and New York. To see where your jurisdiction's cases are published, and to identify your jurisdiction's official reporter, refer to Table 1 in the back of the Blue Book. A printed case will begin with a case citation, the caption or case name, the docket number, an identifying number printed on all filings associated with the case, and the date of the decision. In a commercial reporter, you will then find headnotes to the case. Headnotes list each point of law discussed in the case. These are editorial enhancements to the written opinion and can be an effective research tool for identifying related cases. We will discuss headnotes in greater detail in a later tutorial. A case from the U.S. Supreme Court next provides a syllabus. This is prepared by the Reporter of Decisions for the U.S. Supreme Court and provides a short summary of the case with details on the holding. Similarly, commercial reporters will often include a synopsis of the case, providing a brief description of the case's procedural posture and outcome. Neither the language of the syllabus nor the synopsis to a case should be cited in research. A published case will also identify the attorneys who appeared before the court. This will include the attorneys who represented both sides of the case, as well as any attorneys who made special appearances in support of a party, such as those who were granted permission to file an amicus brief. Finally, we reach the opinion of the case. This is the only component of a case that should be cited in research. If there are concurring or dissenting opinions, they will be included in the reporter as well, following the opinion of the court. We will see how the look of cases differs in an online environment in a later tutorial, but whether researching in print or online, you will always find these basic components when looking at a published case. You should now have a basic understanding of how to read a case citation, where cases are published, and how published cases are structured. This concludes the second case law tutorial on case citation, publication, and composition. You may now advance to the tutorials on searching for cases in Lexis and Westlaw. If you have any questions, the reference librarians are happy to help.